Hi, I'm John, and this is Up for Excel. I'm now going to display something called the R² value. And I'm going to move that up to the top. I'm going to make it much larger. Now this, if you like, is a measure of how well the trend line fits the existing data. We want the biggest number we can get. And I don't get too hung up on the absolute number here for the purposes of forecasting, because we know we've got seasonality going on here, so we're never going to get anything perfect. So we'll just go back to the types of trend line by clicking on the trend line and just double check. So a linear, that goes down to 0.25 or 0.26, exponential 0.27, logarithmic 33, 28, 37. Actually just eyeballing it and statistically looking at it has given us the exact same result. Power definitely appears to fit the data best and gives us the most sensible forecast. We're definitely going to use power.
Make sure you check out the other videos on Up for Excel. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon as well to get notified of the next videos coming out, and I'll see you soon.